Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the DOMS metallic brush pens. This set has a set of two colors, which is the silver and the gold, and I have never tried out these colors in terms of the brush pen, so let's see how these are. So these are priced at INR 50, and you could check again at your local store if you can get them for a cheaper price. So this is by DOMS, and I've tried a lot of their watercolors and other crayons. This is the first time I'm trying these colored brush pens, so let's unbox and see how these are. This is how the pens look. So on them, so these are made in India, and it says it's super soft, and it does not give the color name on it, but that's perfectly fine because you already know this is gold and this is silver. So I'm going to try these out now on a couple of different colored papers. We'll try them out in white paper and also colored papers to see how these things look on different sheets. So I've got a few sheets of paper over here. I've got a green color card, and then I have some shades in red and in black, and also the regular white. So we'll see how this works with all of these. So I'm going to try out first with the gold. So this is how the tip is. It looks really soft. It's like your typical brush pen. So let's write that. I'm going to try and write my name. I'm not really very good at calligraphy, so I'm just going to make something pretty random. So it's very soft. It is really nice to use. So that way I think it does go with the super soft that is mentioned over here. It's very quick dry, and it has a little bit of sheen attached to it. Once it dries, the sheen kind of goes away, but in the gold, but in the silver you can still see a little bit of sheen. So I'm going to try these out now on the colored cards, and you can see how the same gold will look very different when it's on a white background as against colored background. So we'll start off with the black first, and I'm going to try writing hello. It looks amazing on the black. I went with the wrong spelling, so I'm just going to try and correct this. We'll now test it out on different sheets of. We'll now test it out on different colored sheets, and you'll be able to see how the same gold will look very different in white as against the other colors. So we'll start out first with the black. It is so vibrant on the black. You can see such a big difference. This is how colors react to different background colors. Even the silver, I think, looks amazing on the black as compared to the white. These are anyway only meant to be on darker colors and different backgrounds, not really on the white, but it's nice to see how the same colors look on different background sheets. So let's try it out on the red. I think the silver will look much better on the red as compared to the gold. So if you're having like a party at home and you're going to make plug cards or you're going to make name cards, then these prove to be pretty useful basis of what your theme colors are. And the last thing, we'll try it out on the green. The gold looks really nice on the green, and I think even the silver will look pretty good on that. It does. So my absolute favorite is definitely the black. I think it looks the best of all. So this is how it looks on all the different colored sheets when you go from black, green, red, and the regular white. You could also try it out on grays, on blues, on purples, all the different background sheets that you have, and you can figure out which one suits your need the best. I hope this video was useful for you to figure out if these brush pens work for you. And some other ways that you can use them is if you have these sticker labels that you're going to buy for your mason jars, you could write on top of them with these instead of a white or a black. If it's a black sticker, then you can write with one of these colors, or if it's a black box, you could also write directly on top of the black box and try and see how these look. I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.